How to duo in Monkey app or chat with friends. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use the duo chat or how you can chat with friends on the Monkey application. So first things first, since you already created an account, I'm assuming all I have to do first after creating an account is go into Google Play Store and then from the box, look for the Monkey application. So as you can see right there, update button is not visible because I have already updated my Monkey application to the latest version so that I will have this kind of feature. So once you've done that, open up the application and ensure that you're logged in. So the very first time that using this application, you will not yet get the duo mode, which is going to be an additional feature from Monkey app. So since this is your first time, the one that you will be seeing is going to be squad mode, or kind of like work the same with duo. So tap on squad mode or duo mode and you should be able to chat with someone that you prefer. Now, if your friends does not have a Monkey application yet account, all you have to do is to use this specific clip button at the lower left, which is going to be the link that you have from this application, and then send it over to your friends so that you can chat with them. And that's how you duo in Monkey app or chat with friends.